How to touch grass. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Follow carefully. Step 1. Go outside. Step 2. Find some grass. Here it is. Step 3. Approach it. Step 4. Touch it. Can't touch it yet? That is fine. This is normal for Gen Z players. If you cannot touch, then step 5, go inside. Step 6, drink a glass of water. This is essential. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Step 7, plan how you will touch it. Ready? Step 8, go back outside. You should feel tense and motivation. Step 9, approach it again. Step 10, touch the grass. Yippee! You have now touched grass. Goodbye.